BJP-led government has claimed that there have been no political murders in Tripura since they came to power and that the law and order situation in the state is now much better. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha made this statement at the state-level training program for medical officers, dental, nursing officers and community health officers at Pragya Bhavan on Thursday. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Additional Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Rajiv Datta, Director of Health Dr. Tapan Majumdar and Director of Family Welfare and Disease Prevention Dr. Anjan Das among others. During his speech, Dr. Saha criticized the previous government and stated that the state is now free from terrorism, which he credited to the efforts of the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister. He claimed that Tripura is now a peaceful place, attracting visitors from outside. He also announced that a modern 100-bed eye hospital with all the necessary facilities will be established in the state so that people do not have to travel outside Tripura for eye treatment. He also addressed the medical professionals, stating that doctors must have self-confidence to instill confidence in their patients. He added that efforts are being made to improve the infrastructure of the sub-divisional hospital and strengthen district hospitals.
So every time there is some problem and we resolve all these problems. So what our Honorable Chief Minister, first Chief Minister, former Chief Minister, what he said, he tried to say something else. Politically, he tried his best to defend this government. That we are not transparent and why we are giving all these offers on stage we are giving. They haven't been. We know, we can remember 10,323, the number already, everybody already claimed, and how that those employment already been cancelled by the Honorable Supreme Court as well as High Court. We know it, so we have that choice. Whatever we are giving so far this employment is concerned, there is always transparency. So for transparency, we are giving this offer to all the people time to time. So they did not have that guts. So how they can tell us? আমাদের সাথে তো মুখ করেছে, ওরা চিঠিও পাঠিয়েছে কী কী আমাদের করতে হবে, তো সেগুলো আমি নিজেও করেছি, আধিকারিকও করেছে এবং এটাই বললাম যে কী কী আমাদের করতে হবে আগামী দিনে। একটা মৌ হবে, আমি যখন দিল্লিতে যাব সেখানেও মৌ হবে এবং যে চিন্তাধারায় ওনারা এসেছেন, যে কারণে ওনাদেরকে বলা হবে আসার জন্য, তো সেটা কিন্তু আমরা আশা করি রেজাল্ট আমরা আলাদা, সেটা তো হবে, সেটা তো অলরেডি যা সরকারিভাবেই করবে।
At the end of the event, the Chief Minister flagged off 2 blood collection and transport vans, which will be provided to the Kailash Shahar and Bishalgarh Hospital. Reported by Amir from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.